pile lang lahat.
Hindi, madami. Hello people! Welcome back to my channel. And today, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ginawa namin nung Thanksgiving, which is kahapon. So, ito yung scenario ng Filipino family sa California na walang ibang family, kundi kami lang din tatlo. Walang family and friends. So, anyway, hindi, joke lang. Meron naman kaming family pero wala sila ngayon dito sa Philippines. Nasa Pinas yung iba. So, usually nagpupunta rin kami sa mga kapatid ng husband ko, and then kapag wala naman kaming ibang pupuntahan na relatives, nagta-travel na lang kami. So yung pinakamalapit na pinupuntahan namin na magandang place is yung Julian. So dito kami pupunta ngayon sa Julian sa may San Diego, and nagsusnow dito kapag winter, pero since hindi pa winter, fall pa lang, super ganda rin pala dito. First time ko makapunta dito ng ganitong season. So nakita niyo naman yung mga puno, yung mga dahon-dahon or kung ano mang halaman dyan sa bundok. Ang ganda-ganda ng colors, super ganda ng colors, as in, hindi siya nabibigyan ng justice ng camera ng phone. And then, ayan, so super ganda pala magpunta dito pagka ganitong month. And yun nga lang, kapag Thanksgiving Day mismo, close yung mga restaurants. Pero ayang nakikita nyo is yun yung Lake Cuyamaca Park. So pwede kayo dyan mag-picnic or magdala ng food kung ano mang gusto nyong baunin para dyan kayo kumain. And grabe na, super ganda ng colors ng mga puno and ng mga plants dito kapag ganitong season. So ayan, enjoy nyo lang muna yung view.
Drive around in our Mercedes. We're out all night or at home lazy. We're living like we're in the 80s. My oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us.
In about 10 miles, turn left on.
Drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi, or we'll go downtown with our best moves we can.
And then dito naman sa Julian Cafe and Bakery, yung isa sa mga favorite naming bilihan ng apple pie na may ice cream. Pero actually meron pa kaming ibang tinry kagaya ng sa Moms, kaya nga lang hindi ko siya na video and na picturean. So ayan, pero ito pa rin yung the best para sa akin. And super sarap talaga niya. Nagsisinga ako na hindi ako bumili ng marami para iuwi namin dito sa bahay. Pero yan, highly recommended. Usually kinakain namin yan tuwing New Year. Pumupunta kami dito after ng New Year, and then bibili kami yan, uwi namin sa bahay. So nasa fridge lang siya, and then kakainin namin siya for ilang days. Super sarap talaga.
With our best moves we get groovy. My oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. Let them think that we are crazy when we drive around in our Mercedes. We're out all night or at home lazy. We're living like we're in the 80s. My oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na.
ito naman, di pa kasi kami nag-lunch. So, dito kami kumain sa may Clayton, sa Coronado. So, yung in-order ko is soup, sa husband ko is burger, and then yung fries and chicken, shinare namin lahat. So, masarap naman siya. Dito yan sa may Coronado. And then, ito, pauwi na kami. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving day. And see you on my next video. Bye!